Hi, herb mates. If you're new here, I'm Alicia, and on this channel, we talk about all things health and wellness so we can grow, harvest, and heal together. Today, we are going to talk about holy basil or Tulsi, everything you need to know about it, and how to make medicine. So this is actually holy basil kapor. Right behind it, I have two holy basil ramas growing, and they were getting kind of smothered out by this kapor. This bush of holy basil was kind of taking over that entire area. So I decided to pull the entire plant so that my rama had an opportunity to grow. And when I pulled it, I was kind of shocked at how large this Tulsi bush was. I just wasn't expecting that. It was deceptive. It was deceptive when it was in the ground. But the moment I pulled it out, I was like, oh my goodness, I have my work cut out for me. The entire plant is medicinal. You can use the leaves, flowers, and stems. I am just opting to not go with these big thick stems because I know I'm going to put it in my food processor, and my food processor isn't going to like that. So I'm just doing this preliminarily so I can fit it all into the bowl, and then I'm going to clean it in my salad spinner because it does need another cleaning. This isn't as clean as I would have preferred. Okay, so a little word of caution here. Don't do what I did. I did not think it out, and I pre-rinsed my plant before harvesting. I've been in the habit of doing this lately because I've been having an obnoxious invasion of leaf-footed bugs throughout my entire garden. So I've been spraying them down before I work with them. You don't want to do this when you're about to harvest your herbs. Don't do this. Anyways, so what happened was I did that, and then I pulled the plant, and then I set it down, and then there was soil on my plant. So then I had to wash it again. I would have been better off not rinsing it to start with, and it would have been cleaner. While I process this massive holy basil, let's talk about some of the benefits of Tulsi. It is more than just a plant that has medicinal benefits and people should use. It has deeply spiritual roots. Tulsi, or holy basil, is very sacred in the Hindu tradition. The Latin name is Osmum Sanctum, and sanctum actually means sacred. And Tulsi means beyond compare or incomparable. In India, Tulsi is revered as one of the most holy, powerful herbs, and it's actually a rasayana. It's believed to nourish a person's growth to perfect health and promote a long life and vitality. Homes in India often have what they call Tulsi Devi altars, the entrances of their home, as it's believed to ensure personal health, spiritual cleanliness, and the well-being of a family. The stems of Tulsi have been used to craft prayer beads. The sanctity of this plant really extends to everything connected to it. As an adaptogen, it provides a calm and balanced energy. As we know with all adaptogens, they help you respond to stress better. This one in particular isn't a stimulating adaptogen, but it is an uplifting and calming adaptogen. Tulsi also has an affinity for the endocrine and nervous system. It's specifically calming to the nervous system, yet it still heightens awareness and mental clarity. It is believed to help clear ama, or metabolic waste, from the mind, which also helps to relieve congestive headaches or tension headaches. It's also said to have some antidepressant effects for some people, especially the kind of depression that David Winston has coined as stagnant depression, which is a result of a traumatic experience that a person might ruminate on and is having trouble moving past. Additionally, the endocrine and immune regulating effects of Tulsi kind of suggest that it might be good for people who have thyroid issues, specifically hyperthyroidism or Graves' disease. In animal studies, it actually showed to reduce serum T4 levels while enhancing the endogenous antioxidant enzymes, which is heavily associated with these conditions. Tulsi offers antioxidant and neuroprotective benefits to your brain. It improves the actual blood circulation to the brain. It enhances memory, reduces brain damage, and can help clear mental fog. For respiratory health, Tulsi acts as a boon for clear breathing, aiding in alleviating coughs, reducing mucus, lessening the severity of cold-related symptoms, and supporting people who might have asthma, bronchitis, or respiratory allergies. As always, when making a fresh plant tincture, I do a 1:2 ratio, meaning 1 part plant matter to 2 parts menstruum. For my menstruum, I used 190 proof organic sugarcane alcohol. Now my tincture will sit for 6+ weeks, and then I will strain and press it, and it'll be ready for use. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments what your experience has been with Tulsi. If you have never tried it, are you open to after watching this video? It is absolutely one of my favorite herbs. It is an amazing tea. It is also an amazing tincture. I think this should be a staple in every herbal medicine cabinet.